Leftover silicone residue prevents new caulk from bonding properly to the substrate, creating weak seals that fail early. When re-caulking, start by removing all visible old silicone with a rigid scraper or a utility blade held at a shallow angle to avoid gouging the surface. Then follow by picking at remaining strands with a hook tool for tight corners. After bulk removal, dissolve microscopic residue with isopropyl rubbing alcohol applied with a lint-free cloth, rubbing until no oily film remains and the surface feels slightly tacky but not wet. For porous surfaces like grout or painted wood, use a soft nylon brush with alcohol to work the solvent into tiny crevices, then blot dry rather than saturating. Always check your prep by running a clean fingertip across the joint. It should feel smooth and offer slight resistance rather than slipping on an oily film. Allow the cleaned area to fully evaporate for at least 10 to 20 minutes in normal indoor conditions before applying new silicone. And avoid using cleaners with silicone additives that leave residues. When tooling the fresh bead, use a wet finger or a caulk finishing tool moistened with soapy water to create consistent adhesion and a concave profile that sheds water. 3 common mistakes homeowners and installers make are leaving microscopic residue that blocks adhesion, using the wrong cleaner that leaves silicone additives behind, and failing to test surface smoothness before caulking. If residue remains after scraping, perform a second round of alcohol cleaning and inspect under good light. Then feel the surface to confirm resistance. If it still feels slippery, repeat cleaning. If a cleaner leaves a film, switch to high-purity isopropyl rubbing alcohol and a fresh lint-free cloth and avoid multi-purpose cleaners that advertise conditioning or shine. If someone skips the fingertip test and applies new silicone right away, the bead may not bond and will separate later, so always run the fingertip check and wait for the surface to dry completely before proceeding. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by making it easy to find local tradespeople for projects focused on longevity and repairs like re-caulking. We host a discussion community where members share real-world tips, ask questions, and post photos, and we help contractors find work through visibility to homeowners actively planning projects.